Why, hello there, Farm Boy fans. It is about 6:47 in the morning, and we gotta get to work. So, let's go ahead and hop in our Chevy Silverado here, and we're gonna head off to work. I do have the MagnaFlow on this, so I'm just going to quickly turn off the HUD here so you guys don't, so we can make it more realistic. So I'm just gonna turn around here. I did leave my single axle trailer right over there behind us. I put the single axle trailer right over here. That should be a good spot for it. So with that said, let's head off to work. Now today I plan on harvesting those soybeans that I talked about last time, and that's pretty much all I have planned for today. I did get my last episode I talked about putting in one new shed. Instead I put in two, so now we have two sheds. Today I'd also like to build our grain bins, and I think I may have to bring my mower down here and mow this a little bit, mow the path so we can get back to our house. But anyways, we will head up to the farm here and get going. And we have a combine to buy today, so that'll be just wonderful. And I think we could probably do that right now, so I'll stop here. Now I think what we want to do is we want to go in here and we want to go to harvesters, and then I want to buy I really like these 98 or 7890s. So we will customize this so it has the fat tracks on it. Like, let's see, so that looks like it's the biggest tracks. And we will customize our warning signs. Let's go safety triangle. We'll do the standard tailboard, and we don't need any rear hitches. We will get the long pipe here. There we go. And then we'll put global positioning system and at 790. Okay. There we have it. And now I need a bean header because, you know, we're going to need a bean header. So let's just go ahead and buy this one with the air bar. So we are going to need it for our soybeans. So I've bought that. And then I would also need a header trailer to put it on after. So we will get the green one here from there, and that should be good. So now let's head up to the farm and check out what we got. And then we also do have a field of corn that is still growing. I will show you guys here in a second when we get up to the farm. I am currently using a Thrustmaster steering wheel. So if you notice smoothness with me steering, that is why. So I am trying to make it as realistic as possible. So if you guys have any questions or any requests for me, please make sure to pop those in the comments below. If I haven't said this already, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, or don't. That's up to you. So, with that said, this is our bean field. This is the one that we have to harvest today. And I will be doing a roleplay series on the Minnesota Millennial Farmer map as soon as it gets the new version released this week. So when that comes out, we will be doing a series on that. Alrighty, here we are. We're pulling up to the farm here. So we'll make a right turn into here. And whoa, look at that. There is our equipment. So it looks like, I think I'm just gonna swing around here and we'll just park my truck right here for now. We'll move it later if we have to. And I'm going to use my super strength mod here. Go ahead and turn that on. Just to lift this out of the field here. Oh my god. This probably isn't the best way to move this header, but I will just kind of toss it over the fence here and onto the gravel there. So, and then we gotta get this, which I'll probably just move over here for now. So we can get in here and we can cut the beans, and then I'll come in with my pickup truck and pick that up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. Oh yeah, love that. Oh dear, we're stuck on the fence. So let's lift this one out too. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and hook up to this header here. There we are. Okay. And now we are going to lift that up. Go on here. There we go. That's all hooked up. And now, if I can just get out, that will be great. I think we're going to have to go to the outside view. And we're going to have to move my 6R here. We'll just kind of pull this off into the grass here. Let's go ahead and turn down my game volume here. Because that is, yeah, that's there. Okay, I think I'll set everything at 70. There, okay. And also, for some reason, this also gets really glitchy for some reason when I have it on this setting. So I'll go ahead and change that here as soon as I can get here. Okay, we'll go click on this here. Give it a minute. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. Okay, so now it should be, yeah, now it's better. Okay, so we'll just keep that over there for now. So we will hop back in the 90, or the 790 here, and hopefully we can get out of here without wrecking the header. Oh gosh, okay. Gosh, our mower. This is difficult, you know. Get over this fence. Let's move this again. We'll just move this up onto the road here, so we don't have to worry about hitting it. There we go. let's see if we can get out of this mess here. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, sweet, we got it. Alright, now I just have to find the entrance to this field here. Not really sure where that is, so we're just gonna have to find it. Ah, here we are. Right down the road there. Looks like we're gonna have to open up that gate. Let's hope we can fit this header in here. Ooh. I have to lift it over there. Okay, now we'll go ahead, lower that down, and then we'll cut in here. And we'll shut this gate. Okay, and then we'll back up here. We'll open this up so we can get to our stuff in here. I want to run over the beans. I know we already did, but let's see what we're getting here. 85 bushels an acre. That's not too bad. And there we go. That is all unraveled there. We'll just come around and get that. Alrighty. So now let's get a play course going here. Click that. Around, we'll do 2 headland passes, and I think we will, let's see, let's set that for automatic, and generate field course. Okay, and that looks good, so we'll just, whoa, what are you doing? So let me spin him around here. He's supposed to be going the other way. I don't know why he's doing this. So we'll spin him around this way. And we'll get him going again. This is near race point and drive course. Whoa. What are you doing? Okay, well, I'm not really sure what he's doing, but he will be on his way. So actually, I'm gonna have him give me a ride to the other end of the field here, so we can run back. We are gonna need a grain cart, so, and a semi, but I don't know, guys. I think this is going to be the end of this video. Our next video will probably be getting this rest of this field harvested. I will try and figure out why Courseplay isn't really working with this right now. So, but thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Farm Boy, out.